couple different configurations with this sectional. So we tried this, which is really nice because then you can have a couple of people that get to utilize this area. This is operating as a mobile ottoman. So it's very easy to relocate this. I like it over here better so that it's a longer ottoman on that side. I'm going to show that option next, but if we lift this up, voila, storage. This is what it looks like when I move the ottoman section down to the end. It's high quality stitching and incredibly smooth fabric. It looks excellent when you style it.